Wishing you all a great happy Raksha Bandhan. So today we are going to make a special recipe of Raksha Bandhan, that is chocolate lollipop at home. The main ingredient is this Oreos of 6 packets. Then we will take out these Oreos into the bowl, and after taking out, as you can see, I'm taking out from the wrapper. There are some letters written on Oreo biscuit nowadays. So these are some Oreos. Now we will grind it. So these I have grinded, as you can see it. Now I will put 2 tablespoons of chocolate, dark chocolate we will put it, and this is 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and the milk I have taken of 1 glass, and I will mash it and mash the both things and check that it is coming at binding particle. It is coming. So now we'll put little milk and try to form a dough of it. Chocolate dough we are forming. See, as you can see it, I have formed some dough. As you can see, our dough is very ready. I'm giving it a round shape over here properly. I'm giving it a better round shape. This is the round shape. This is the chocolate which I have melted. Now I will put this chocolate into the container and take a plate. In this I have put a paper called as baking paper. It is that you can easily buy in a shop where a bakery item is available. Like this I am doing others and others, as you can see it properly. These are my 10 lollipops which are ready. So we'll put that toothpick up on it, so that the lollipop looks like lollipop only. So let's quickly put the toothpick upon it and keep for 15 minutes into the refrigerator, so that it is frozen very nicely. Now we'll keep it for 15 minutes into the refrigerator. So as you can see, this is from refrigerator. I have taken out the 2 plates I have made, because separately they were not fitting in 1 plate exactly. So they are ready. I'm showing you in a zoom way also. See, these are all I'm taking out from the as you can see, it has been sticking from the paper because the chocolate gets stuck in. They have sticked up together also. So we will shift this from one small plate to big plate, so that all the lollipops get fitted into a plate only, as you can see it. So now I will clean the sides of it from the help of scissor, that it comes as very nicely. As you can see it, I'm cutting all the side parts of it nicely, so that from the side the chocolate can be removed, so that while eating someone eats it, so it looks nice to that person. So as you can see, now we'll cut one piece and check that it is very nicely done or not. It's very nice. So you should try this recipe.